Solved problems. Adjusting entries. T accounts. Adjusted trial balance. Problem. Adjusting entries and preparation of adjusted trial balance. Based on the given problem in activity 2, the unadjusted trial balance of Alpha Laundry Services as of June 30, 2021 is as follows. Alpha Laundry Systems unadjusted trial balance as of June 2021. Account number, account title, debit, credit. Account number 100, cash, debit 125,000. Account number 120, prepaid insurance, debit 12,000. Account number 130, office supplies, debit 2,000. Account number 140, laundry supplies, debit 10,000. Account number 150, laundry equipment, debit 145,000. Account number 300, Mr. A Capital, 250,000, credit. Account number 400, laundry income, 70,000, credit. Account number 500, utility expenses, debit 2,000. Account number 510, salaries and wages expense, 15,000, debit. Account number 520, rent expenses, 7,500, debit. Account number 530, transportation expenses, 1,500, debit. Total debits 320,000, total credits 320,000. Additional information. Depreciation of equipment. The laundry equipment which was purchased by Alpha Laundry Services on June 5, 2021 at 250,000 has an estimated useful life of 4 years with a salvage value of 10,000. Compute for the monthly depreciation to be charged as a depreciation expense and will be deducted against the cost to get the net book value of the laundry equipment. Complete for the monthly depreciation using straight line method. 2. Prepayments. The insurance paid for laundry equipment is 12,000. An expired portion of the insurance is determined by division of the prepayments over 12 months. The expired portion will be charged to expense. This will reduce the value of prepaid insurance balance. Deferred expenses for supplies of inventory. At the end of the month, unused supplies were recorded to be as follows. Office supplies 500, laundry supplies 3,000. The used supplies is charged to expense. The unused portion will be reported as the new supplies inventory balance for the next month. Requirements. 1. Record the necessary adjusting journal entries in the general journal. Post the adjusting journal entries to the T accounts. Prepare the adjusted trial balance. In the books of Alpha Laundry Systems, adjusting journal entries. Depreciation on laundry equipment. Depreciation expense debtor 5,000 debit to accumulated depreciation on laundry equipment 5,000 credit. Being the depreciation on laundry equipment recorded. Prepaid insurance for laundry equipment. Insurance expense debit 1,000 to prepaid insurance credit 1,000. Being the insurance expense on laundry equipment for the month of June 2021. Deferred expenses for office supplies. Office supplies expense debit 1,500 to office supplies credit 1,500. Being the office supplies consumed. Deferred expenses for laundry supplies. Laundry supplies expense debit 7,000 to laundry supplies credit 7,000. Being the laundry supplies consumed. In the books of Alpha Laundry Systems, T accounts. Depreciation expense account 5,000 debit. Closing balance 5,000 debit. Accumulated depreciation on laundry equipment 5,000 credit. Closing balance 5,000 credit. Insurance expense 1,000 debit. Closing balance 1,000 debit. Prepaid insurance opening balance 12,000 credit 1,000. Closing balance 11,000 debit. Office supplies expense debit 1,500. Closing balance 1,500. Office supplies debit opening balance 2,000 credit 1,500. Closing balance 500 debit. Laundry supplies expense debit 7,000. Closing balance 7,000 debit. Laundry supplies account. Opening balance 10,000, 7,000 credit, closing balance 3,000 debit. In the books of Alpha Laundry Systems, the unadjusted trial balance is given as it was given in the problem. Let us post the adjustments to the unadjusted trial balance to obtain the adjusted trial balance. Adjustments debit and credit. Adjustment prepaid insurance credit 1000. Insurance expense debit 1000. Adjustment number 2. Office supplies credit 1500. Office supplies expense debit 1500. Adjustment number 3. Laundry supplies credit 7000. Laundry supplies expense debit 7000. Adjustment number 4. Accumulated depreciation laundry equipment credit 5000. Depreciation expense debit 5000. Total adjustments debit 14,500. Total adjustments credit 14,500. Let us post the adjustments to the unadjusted trial balance to obtain the adjusted trial balance. The adjusted trial balance appears like this. Cash debit 125,000. Prepaid insurance debit 11,000. Office supplies debit 500. Laundry supplies debit 3,000. Laundry equipment debit 145,000. Accumulated depreciation on laundry equipment credit 5,000. Mr. A Capital credit 250,000. Laundry income credit 70,000. Utility expenses debit 2,000. Salaries and wages expense debit 15,000. Rent expense debit 7,500. Transportation expense debit 1,500. Depreciation expense debit 5,000. Insurance expense debit 1,000. Laundry supplies expense debit 7,000. Office supplies expense debit 1,500. Total debits 325,000. Total credits 325,000. Finally, here is the adjusted trial balance. Recap. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Accounts Lobby for various solved problems and lectures on accountancy.